Good day. We're going to focus on the key question. As our nation faces the current economic crisis, and of course, we've got a big one with the COVID-19 crisis, how can we make sure that our leaders' responses benefit everyone, including families, workers, and the most vulnerable among us? And we're right in the middle of that, aren't we? So that gets at the word subsidiarity. We talked about that during the third quarter, during the Catholic Social Teaching Unit. And then, of course, it was also mentioned in the unit on called the Family, Community, and Participation. The etymology of the word is helping hand, assisting, supplementing, auxiliary. And auxiliary is just like secondary help. So it's, for example, the best model that comes to my mind is a parent-child relationship, and you want the child to initiate everything, but that sometimes the parent needs to give additional helping hand. Now, the key distinction, though, is what's paternalism. You don't want to do paternalism. You want it to be a helping hand. And paternalism is whenever you treat an adult or a teen like yourself like a little child and do something for themselves that they couldn't do for themselves. Same thing with the adult. So the key from the Catholic Church's teaching is that you want the help to be as small as possible, but as big as necessary. Of course, like all the moral teaching principles that we're going to speak about, is that it's rooted in the dignity of the human person. And so people before the government. And so the government is active but limited. So think about Monday's lesson, or the day before, You got the family and individual coming first. And then if they can't go, then you go to the next one, you go perhaps to a smaller group, a church or a corporation. Then if that can't help, then you go to the government, and then finally, last but not least, international level. So let's get some wisdom from the Catholic Church. The United States Catholic Conference of Bishops in 1986 has some things to offer. So first, the essential question is what should government should and should not do? So first, the government should only take on initiatives that exceed the capacities of the individual or the private group. So it's something that's way over the top that you can't expect an individual to do. Like it's not reasonable for an individual or their family to put in their own sewer line, so you expect the government to do that. Number two, the government should never replace or destroy smaller communities and individual initiatives. So something that an individual or a family can do, the government should not get involved. Number three, the government should help people to be more effective, to do things quicker, so that individuals may be able to do something, but the government can do it more efficiently, a better use of time. Collecting trash, recycling. It's more effective for the government to do that a lot of times. And the government assistance should only supplement, just add to. So, for example, if you think about it, an analogy of the diet, like you would never just want to just eat vitamin C pills, you'd want to continue with a nutritious diet. A couple things as far as what these principles mean. So, first of all, it never means that the government that governs the least is the best government. So it's not anti-government. It just talks about the appropriate role of government. And then last but not least, I lost myself here in the slide. Is that a good government really helps other social groups contribute to the common good by directing, urging, restraining, or regulating economic activity as the occasion requires and demands. And so think about this in the case study of the current COVID-19 crisis. The federal government is laying out directives for social distancing, urging people to wear masks, restraining economic activity, and even putting in stipulations were needed.